Do you love cracking your knuckles? Or does the sound make you cringe? Either way, let's dive into the science. So, what really happens when you crack your knuckles? Your joints are surrounded by a fluid called synovial fluid. When you stretch or pull your fingers, you create tiny bubbles in this fluid. That satisfying pop you hear? It's those bubbles bursting. But is it bad for you? Great news. Studies show that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Phew, right? However, if you do it too much, you might end up with swollen hands or a weaker grip.